Guys, I'm receiving a lot of message on how to extract these fonts and make use of it in PixelLab. Now watch this video and learn. Click on this font. You will see a lot of options. You will see achieve yours, copy to, extract file to. I'll just click on this extract files to. Click on it. And wait for it. Now as you can see, there's a lot of folders. The first folder, which is fonts, is one I've extracted. I don't need to extract it anymore, but you can just click on this extract to extract your own. But me, I've extracted my own. If you open it now, you see all the fonts I sent to you, like about 700 to 900 to 1000 fonts I sent. So you don't need to extract anymore. Me, I don't need to extract anymore. But if you want to extract your own, just click on extract to, click on this extract, and this thing will come out extracting. But now they will write me file already exists, so I'll just click on cancel because I've extracted it before. Now you minimize, go to your PixelLab app. You see, let's click OK. I've already typed hi or this. Now you go to your fonts. Remember I say you should rotate your phone for a better view. You go to your fonts, find fonts. This is fonts, so you click on fonts. This is the basic fonts for the one that comes with PixelLab. Then this one is, you click on this my font, you see. Now click here to import. So this is the fonts here. You can just go to your readme, go to your folder where the root font, the one you extracted. This is the font. Okay, let me just do it. For example, this I click on my readme stencil. You just search for the font here. This is the font. You click on it and all the fonts will just show. Now you highlight it, select. I just selected one. You get, but let me select more. Highlight. You can even check for select all. Now click on select. All of them will just come in. Now all will just come in. You see? Now you have all your fonts installed in your PixelLab app. So this is a simple way of how to install fonts in your PixelLab app. Just follow this step and you can do the same. So you can press OK, or you can select anyone you want for your design. Let me just select elephant. You see, you press OK and this font has applied. So guys, please follow these steps and you enjoy it. Thank you and have a good day.